Okay, hi, I'm Chris Curtis. I write a blog. I'm an English teacher. My blog is Learning from My Mistakes. My Twitter handle is xris32. The thing I've been talking about today is memory and making students learn complex texts and also remembering key bits of information. Now, I'm a little bit jealous of maths because they've got timetables, and so they've got automatic memory, stored memory with timetables, and we don't have that in English. And the problem that we've got is we often have to reteach the same thing, and so we often, when we ask what a simile is, we have to do it again and again and again. We'll do it in year 7, we'll do it in year 8, year 9, year 10, year 11, and the problem we've got is we've got that repetitive process, and yes, we need to have repetition to learn something, but we're asking the same question again and again. So my solution to that really is actually using dual coding. So from year 7 onwards, we teach our students a symbol to go along with a technique. And what we do is every other term we test the students on the symbol. We also have a glossary, and we have a standardised glossary for the whole department, and when we test that glossary definition. And we found that it's worked for us in terms of getting students to remember. So no longer do I have to ask 100 times what a simile is or what a metaphor is. Students can give me a definition and it's quite clear. The steps forward where we want to go with it is looking at different ways we can use this coding with using symbols, with techniques to help boost the memory. We use it with starters, so we give a picture and we use it for lots of different things, but we found that it's helped students become a lot more quicker with spotting literary devices and also actually using the meta language to talk about texts. Students aren't sort of stumbling straight away. We get students, often weaker students, picking out oxymorons in a Shakespeare text, whereas before we did this approach, we didn't get that. It would have to be usually led by the teacher, and the teacher reteaching what an oxymoron is from time and time again.
That's great. Thank you very much, Chris. I think that all sounds very practical.